Hello everyone, Patricius Juandano here. Now, I would like to talk about stressful jobs. Topik kita kali ini adalah jobs atau pekerjaan yang bikin sutiris atau bikin stres, stressful jobs. Now, what do you know about stressful jobs? Do you have a job? Anda sudah punya pekerjaan? What do you do? Kerja Anda sebagai apa? Is it a stressful job? Apakah pekerjaan itu bikin Anda sutiris atau bikin Anda stres? Hopefully not, ya. But okay, so I'm going to read text. Saya akan baca sebuah teks about stressful jobs. I'm going to give you the meanings of some important words. Saya akan memberikan kata-kata arti dari kata-kata yang penting. And then you are going to answer the comprehension questions. Setelah itu Anda akan menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan bacaannya. Okay, let's dive into my presentation. Okay, people, this is the topic for today. The most stressful jobs. So I'm going to read aloud the text. Please listen to me. And I'm also going to give you the meanings of some important words. You learn them. And then after that, you go to the comprehension questions. And you check again the text in order to find the answers to the comprehension questions. Okay, yeah, let me start. Recently, my 9-year-old son proudly announced to me that he wanted to become a commercial airline pilot when he grows up. Announced, mengumumkan, mengatakan, memberitakan. Ya. Grows up, sudah besar, sudah dewasa. Jadi dia ingin menjadi seorang pilot komersial ketika dia sudah besar, sudah dewasa. I'm happy for him because he spends hours reading books about airplanes and he loves to play airplane game apps. It's great to know what career you want at such a young age. As well, the average annual salary for an airline pilot is quite good. $105,270 US. Also, being an airline pilot means that you might travel to many exotic locations around the world, places that most people might never get a chance to see. Again, annual artinya tahunan. Ya, jadi secara tahunan gajinya per tahun itu sekian US dollar. Ya. Exotic, exotic ya, tempat-tempat yang eksotik, yang unik, yang mengandung keindahan karena unik, ya, tidak banyak dijumpai di tempat lain. Okay, let me continue. However, I wonder if his choice of career is one that I should encourage. Encourage is mendukung, mendorong. You see, this morning I googled most stressful jobs, and I discovered that my son's dream career is actually the third most stressful job on the list of top 10 most stressful jobs. This makes sense because as a pilot, you are responsible for the lives of hundreds of people. You are away from home for many days at a time, and you may have to fly through many different time zones, which can be very difficult to adjust to. Sorry. Make sense. Bisa dimengerti. Masuk akal. Responsible for. Bertanggung jawab terhadap. Time zones. Adjust to is menyesuaikan diri terhadap sesuatu. Okay. Now let me continue. Number 1 on the list was military personnel or soldier, and number 2 was firefighter. Of course, jobs like these are very dangerous. You must put your life in danger almost daily. Interestingly, however, taxi driver was also on the list at number 10. Okay, so that's the text and some important words. Okay, now let me continue to the questions. Yeah, now this is a simple true and false. Ini cuma menyatakan benar, true atau salah, false. Yeah. So check back the text and say whether this statement is true or false. Number one, the main idea of the article is how to choose a good job. True or false? Number two, you can make more than $100,000 per month as a pilot. True or false? The article says that exotic countries are dangerous. True or false? The article suggests it might be stressful to be away from your home. False or true? The article says it is more stressful to be a soldier than a pilot. True or false? The article says driving a taxi can be interesting. True or false? Okay, check back again at the text, read the text again, baca lagi teksnya, find the answers to these statements. Temukan jawaban untuk kalimat pernyataan 1-6 tadi. Apakah itu benar atau salah? Yeah. Okay, the next one is discuss. Now you can discuss with your classmates. Can you think of 6 other stressful jobs that might be on the list? What job would you like to have? Is it a stressful job? Why or why not? In what ways can driving a taxi be stressful? Ya, itu pertanyaan-pertanyaan untuk kalian diskusikan ya dengan teman atau dengan saya. Kita sekelas bersama-sama. Jangan malu-malu untuk mengungkapkannya dalam bahasa Inggris. Salah tidak mengapa. Kita nanti bisa benarkan bersama-sama. Kalau Anda tidak mencoba, ya Anda tetap di situ aja. Kemampuan Anda tidak berkembang. Ya, jadi beranikan diri untuk ngomong dengan bahasa Inggris. Grammar salah tidak apa-apa, yang penting ngomong dulu. Berani dulu untuk ngomong. Okay? Yeah. Now this is also another exercise. This is writing. You can write about one of the above questions and write a short paragraph to answer it. But in the meantime, good luck for your study. See you again in my next lesson.